Construction at Felecia is moving forward with consistency, precision, and an uncompromising focus on quality. The raft and stilt work is currently in progress, forming the project's core structural foundation. Column reinforcement has been successfully completed in strict accordance with approved structural designs. To ensure enhanced strength and long-term durability, premium-grade steel column cages are being deployed on-site. Preparations for concrete casting are underway, supported by rigorous quality inspections and safety protocols. In parallel, development of the STP system is in progress, reinforcing our commitment to sustainable and eco-conscious living. Each stage of execution is closely supervised to maintain accuracy, uniformity, and timely progress. Felecia continues to advance as planned, setting benchmarks in construction quality at every milestone.